Yeah, if you've seen the fire, you know what time it is. Mailday. I didn't want to be out loud. My kids are sleeping. I got a special mail day, guys. It's from a guy a lot of you guys know. I'm going to do some shout outs too. So, boom. Packercards87 with the hookup. Wow, I wasn't expecting this at all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I appreciate you, brother. Hope you like these, Jack. Of course I do, man. Dang. Right off the top. Jordan Howard rookie from Black and Gold. Nasty, man. I already like it. We got Kevin White. Kevin White blue. Number to 199. Jeremy Langford. Purple cracked ice, I guess it's called. Number to 75. Ooh, nasty. 2017 Prism Jordan Howards. Green, orange, wave, and green scope. Nasty, dude. I got a lot of faith in this guy. He's a beast. I don't care what anybody says. Dude's a monster. Adam Shaheen, rookie, auto. Nasty, bro. That's super nasty, bro. I really appreciate it. Daniel Braverman, rookie auto from Contenders. Very cool, man. Card family for life. You already know, bro. I know you probably got these, man, but I just figured I'd show them to you to see if, just in case you don't. I got 2 of those. And I got a bunch of the Prism rookies, which you probably already have. So I just figured I'd show you anyways, just in case you don't. That's a Woodson insert one. Jones, rookie. Brett Favre sideways. Jamal Williams, rookie. It's like that purple one. I don't think it's numbered though. Nope. And then the regular base one. Then Jamal Williams, regular rookie. Then I got this Devontae Adams, red. Numbered to 49. So I don't know if you have that. Then the Jamal Williams, numbered to 49. And Ty Montgomery, purple. I didn't get no autos of the Packers, which is, unusual for me. And then Malcolm Dupree, rookie, green scope. So I don't know if you have those, buddy, but if you don't, I will send them to you gladly. So I really appreciate the goodies, buddy. Let me do some card family shout outs. Trevor Mendoza, Carl Emmons, Chargers cards, Zane the Man, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Victor Negron cards, Raider cards 4, Anthony Hockey 1014, Big Doug sports cards, Varner Motorsports. That dude does drag racing and stuff. It's pretty awesome. Falcon cards, Tabonis 512, Bustin Packs, LS cards, William Best cards, Drumbo, and Levi Bronco. If I missed you off there, it didn't have nothing to do with nothing. Card family for life is what I'm all about. You guys keep cracking packs. Peace.